Come on, get you a pull. It's the Pantera Limo update. A new level of confidence and power. Look at this, man. This is the limo almost as the sides are about to be cut out completely. They're rotted. As you can see, it looks burnt. But all this is coming out. And now we're heading over to Platinum Big Toys in Corona, California. And we have our friend here cutting out new windows from the new sides, man. Enrique and his team cut out both sides, replaced it with new metal, and they're cutting out these windows. And these are the same windows that were previously used. And here's a view of the inside of the limo. All that's going to be gutted. All new electrical, all new AC. See that top bar around that silver bar? That was all rotted, and they put a new one in. We're going to keep this back end and the front end, but they're going to be able to fix the roof, and Enrique will talk about it in a little bit. There's that back. There's the Sirius XM antenna, by the way. See, so the back's going to be the same, the front, but the sides are all new, and on this side, it's already all done. Check it out. Damn, what? Vinnie's limo looking good. Look at that new metal side. All the windows are cut out already, and the guys are doing an excellent job. And this is just what it looks like before they rip out all of these wires and speakers. It's all coming out. All new shit inside, man. Hell yeah. And then, oh shit, oh. I had to back up a little bit, man, because those sparks were hot. Moving back in Platinum Big Toys here because getting a little too close to the sparks, but it felt good. My shirt smelled like freaking welding the whole rest of the day, and that's awesome, man. And here's a cool inside look as he is cutting out a new window in Vinnie Paul's limousine. There it is. Pop it on out. Here's Enrique.
How you doing, guys? What we're doing right now, it's opening the windows. We already replaced the side panels. So all the rust is gone. Then we got to work on the roof. Make sure that there's some areas that rust. We got to cut them out and replace it. But the whole panel, the inner frame, is replaced. We're cutting out the windows. And these windows are the original windows of the car. We're not replacing them. So we're sticking to the original design back in the days. It's just gonna modernize it just a little bit. A lot of it. And as you see, the other side is almost done. So this side, we got 16 gauge metal. All steel, all done. Perfectly. We just need to reinforce the inners. And from here, it's going to the body shop. I want to say by next Tuesday, we'll have all the moldings, the bumpers, and all the little touch-ups we need to do here. It's still original, gotta remove it. Going to the body shop. 2 weeks, this is gonna be a brand new limousine coming back to the upholstery shop and the electronics. And we're customizing a really nice bar, as well as the roof, diamond cut stainless steel.
Fuck yeah.
Designed by Platinum.
Hell yeah. Platinum Big Toys here in Corona, California. Orale a la verga, los mexicanos. Working on Vinnie's limo. Fuck yeah, thanks Enrique.
Got it.
I want to thank Enrique and the guys again from Platinum Big Toys for doing such a great job. Look at the fire, look at the fire. Man, they're doing an awesome job, and I can't wait for this to be on the road again. There he is, the man, the freaking savior of Vinnie's limousine, Enrique Herrera. Gracias, mi hermano. Hell yeah.